Welcome to John Austin and Sons Limited. Conveniently located in beautiful Kinmount, Ontario, we're your one-stop solution for all of your home improvement needs. Whether you're a resident, seasonal cottager, or just passing through, we have just what you're looking for. With a wide selection of hardware and home improvement supplies, to lumber, power tools, custom-built docks, and more, we have it all. Need a picnic table for your next gathering of family and friends? We can provide you with one made of spruce, pressure-treated, or cedar. How about a custom-built shed for you, a playhouse for your children, or a shelter for your beloved pet? We can customize the project right down to the shingles. John Austin & Sons Limited is open Monday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. with delivery available every day. If you find you're in need of assistance, you can trust John Austin & Sons to direct you to fair and knowledgeable contractors in the area. So when it comes time for your next project, big or small, think John Austin & Sons Limited.